Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips for everyday challenges. Today, we're tackling how to send money from China to Pakistan. Whether you're an expat sending remittances, a business owner handling international transactions, or just helping out family, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, why send money from China to Pakistan? It's often for family support, business deals, or investments. The good news is there are several reliable methods to choose from. The most common options include bank transfers, online remittance services like Wise or Western Union, and even mobile apps if you're tech-savvy. Let me walk you through the steps. Step 1. Choose your method. For bank transfers, you'll need to visit a bank in China that has partnerships with Pakistani banks, like ICBC or Bank of China. Online services are faster. Sign up on platforms like Wise, which offers competitive exchange rates and low fees. Step 2. Gather your documents. You'll typically need your ID, the recipient's details in Pakistan, and proof of funds. In China, you might use services like Alipay or WeChat Pay for domestic transfers before converting to international ones. Step 3. Check exchange rates and fees. The Chinese yuan, CNY, to Pakistani rupee, PKR, rate fluctuates, so use apps or websites to compare and avoid surprises. Fees can range from 1% to 5%, depending on the service. Now, for security, always use reputable services to avoid scams. Double-check recipient information and consider two-factor authentication. Also, be aware of any restrictions. China has strict capital controls, so larger amounts might require additional verification. Once everything's set, initiate the transfer and track it online. It usually takes 1 to 5 business days. And there you have it. Money sent safely. If you're dealing with this regularly, look into multi-currency accounts to save on fees. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.